Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 112 summary. In this first clip, you can see Ukrainian forces hitting the headquarters of the Kherson region for the Russian armed forces, dead into the center of the courtyard in this building. Headquarters units are of course important to target as they do coordinate a large amount of frontline activities, and destroying or damaging one can hinder those communications for some while. In the next clip, we can see Ukrainian forces targeting some kind of electronic warfare system that the Russians installed on the rooftop of a building in the Kharkiv region. The Kharkiv region has largely become stagnant over the past few weeks, as the Ukrainian counterattack has since stopped or been stalled, and the Russians have no longer attempted to make any more offensive actions, and the Ukrainians have not conducted any more counterattacks. As of the moment, the front line is largely stagnant, but we can see in these specific instances, like this artillery barrage, that the Ukrainians do attempt occasionally to try and hinder, damage, or destroy Russian forces and their abilities that are still within the Kharkiv salient. We can see the artillery fire raining down on the rooftop of this building where this electronic warfare system is, and you can also see the flag of the Russian Federation flying on a flagpole to the left side of that building. In this next clip, we can see a Russian MTLB backing up out of a tree line and then driving down the road, only to be destroyed by the 95th Brigade. There were soldiers riding on top of this MTLB when it was stricken, and it looks like in the last bit of film here, some of them may still be on top of the vehicle. Here in this last clip, we can see Ukrainian artillery in the Kharkiv region being fired at the Russians. Once again, actual frontline activity, such as fighting in between the infantry units, is very rare in the Kharkiv area as of this point, but artillery barrages like this, at least from the Ukrainian side, do appear to be a regular occurrence at this point, as they continue to try and make sure that the Russians will remain at somewhat of a level of disorganization, and maybe some of their important logistics and communications lines may be hindered or destroyed. We can now see them firing another salvo, and another one. And now we can see the drone footage of the target that they were hitting. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because these summaries are uploaded every single day of the week except for Mondays, and we also run nightly streams at 10 PM Eastern Time every single night of the week except for Mondays as well, where we cover the past 24 hours of the war in Ukraine, and we show every single bit of footage, like you've seen in the summary, that we've been able to find, and we also give analysis about what's going on the front lines. Thank you all for watching once again, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have fun, and take care.